Hey everyone, how are y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to be reviving another wig. And these are the things that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some water because I'm going to spray the wig first before I put it in the boiling water on the stove. And I'm going to be putting this on the wig also to make it softer and easy to comb through. And I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb. I know I gotta clean this other hair out. And of course you're gonna need a mannequin head. I know my mannequin head looks a mess. I need to get another one, but I'm gonna be using this one to put the wig on so I can comb through it. And also gonna need some flat irons because I'm gonna straighten it out. And I got these flat irons from salesbeauty.com for $7.99, and they get pretty hot, up to 400 degrees. And I needed some more flat irons too. And for $7.99, they work pretty good. And this is how the wig looks. It is, you know, it has the comb in the front, then it has the two combs in the back, and it is a drawstring wig, y'all. I've had this wig for like 7 years, and it is a Freetress Equal wig. It's a shake and go wig, and it is in the color blue black. Y'all see how rough she's looking right now? And this is how the hairline looks. I'm gonna try to work with that too to make it more realistic, but I'm gonna do that off camera. And so right now I'm gonna spray the wig, and I'm gonna be putting this on while I comb her out. I'm not gonna braid it or anything, cause I really want to focus on the hairline. You wanna say hey?
Hey.
This is my son, y'all. He's the one that has the gaming channel. His name is DJ Bunny. It's capital DJBONNIE. So y'all have any kids or nieces and nephews or little cousins that is into gaming, please go subscribe to this channel. This is my other son. This is my oldest one. This is Jay.
I'm gonna have a channel, but I don't have one yet. It's gonna be a vlogging channel.
Yeah, he's gonna have a vlogging channel.
Only a full vlogging. Right, Mama? Is this on YouTube or you got
No.
app? But it is nice.
She's not up right now. Yes, I love when it's combed out. Looks a lot better when it's combed out. And versus not being combed out. And y'all, this wig is very thin. It's a thin wig. But you know, gonna work with it. And y'all, I'm gonna comb the rest of it out off camera, and I'm gonna put it in the water, and I will be back. Y'all, I'm back and I'm better. Y'all, look at what I did. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited about how this wig turned out, y'all, because I know y'all seen it before, and I know y'all seen how the hairline was. It was just like a hairline. It was just like all the way around. But, you know, I put some hair in the front so it could look better, like more realistic. And I'm so excited. And it's not tangled up anymore. It looks a whole lot better, and it is very smooth. Just look at what I did, y'all. I did this. I did the damn thing on this wig. check me out. Yes. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see how it looks. Yes, y'all. Like I'm too hyped. I am too hyped right about now. And that is it for this video. And if y'all like it, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you will know when I will be posting the videos. And I will see y'all next time.